Okay, your navigation bar is working fine. We still kind of have to work with the content on your pages. I'm not sure why, like for example, phone number and Twitter is indented. There's no need for indentation there. Um, and then, one of the things you really got to do is kind of brand your color scheme. You're starting to do that, but there's some areas where you can work with that. Especially like navigation bar. When you bring your mouse over, you have that gray, using blue. You're not using those bullets correctly over here. In a previous video, I showcased how to do that. So make sure you correct that aspect. Excuse me. Got to utilize this white space over here. I think, and I believe in the other video I showcased that you can make this into 2 columns. So go back into that video and task 2 and review that aspect. The thing that we see here though is when I open up your Muse file, your master page is not set up correctly. So what you're doing here is you're adding the navigation bar and this text here on every page. Okay, now let's just say you change the name of the company, Designs CO. It means you got to go, if you have 50 pages in your website, you have to go to every 50 pages to make that change. Master page, you make it once and it's there. So again, I believe I brought this up before. So what I want you to do, I'm going to select your text here, your red box, your navigation bar. I'm going to cut it out, edit cut. I'm going to go to your master page. I'm going to do edit, paste, and place. Okay, so you want this on your master page. Now that also means what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to open up every page. Okay, and I'm going to delete the text that you have up here because the master page is going to be controlled. So I click on the text, I click on the red box, I click on the navigation bar, and I delete it. Text. Now on these other pages, what I'll do is I'll delete your footer information as well. Okay, now I'm going to go back to your home page. I'm going to take this footer, I'm going to select both, I'm going to cut it out, I'm going to go to my master page, I'm going to paste. Now, we're going to move this down here at the bottom, and I'm going to resize the frames so they're inside the page itself. When you do this, we're going to move this ruler guide up here above. If you want this big footer area, you got to move this footer guide up. Then I want you to just right click, make sure the footer item comes up. Footer item is up there, so that's going to appear at the very bottom of the page. So when I look at these other pages, it's going to be right here at the bottom.